Hi, my name is Fran Hoffman. I am the CEO of Miami Cordage. And hi, I'm Amy Mehndiratta. I am the operations analyst at Miami Cordage. This is my first users group. I'm glad that I made the trip to come up. I met a lot of really interesting people within the industry, was able to bounce ideas, learn best practices from other companies. So I'm coming away with a lot of ideas. I like to be able to see the new features that's coming out in the software updates, what's going to benefit our company, how can we learn, how can we grow. So ultimately, how can we perform better, save more time, manage inventory better, manage our vendor relationships better, customer relationship better. Every time I come to the users group, not only I enjoy meeting the entire Rubicon team, but also all the people that are in the industry. And then I just love how the entire setup is done. It's just all so amazing. And it's always a memory that I take back and share it with everybody at home and at work also. And I want to say that I'm excited for the next year and the year after. I want to learn more, and I'm sure that there's a lot more that the system can do. And you guys are always working at it, taking our feedback as your customers and making sure that we get the product that we're actually looking for. So yeah, I'm excited about the changes that are coming and the changes that we will make as a business as well.
And to follow up on that, which was a really good point, that's one of the things that I saw a lot here, is Mike and Sue's interaction with customers and really listening to, okay, customers give a general feedback, this is what we'd like to see, and they take steps to implement that.
Yeah.
And I think that's really something that you don't see with a lot of other companies, the customized listening to our customers and providing value.